Once again, welcome all. So in this video we are gonna learn how we can use decimal in measurement. So measurement of different thing. So first is measurement of length. We know in length we have 1 meter, then we have 1 kilometer. So in 1 meter you should know that there is 100 centimeter, and in 1 kilometer there is 1000 meter. Kilometer is bigger unit and meter is small unit, then centimeter is more smaller than the meter. So after length we have measurement of mass. Measurement of mass. So in mass we have 1 kg, we use kg, and grams. So 1 kg is bigger unit and gram is small unit. Kg is the bigger unit, kilogram, and that is gram. So in 1 kilogram there is 1000 grams. Now the measurement of capacity or volume. Measurement of volume. Volume we measure in liters and main in the liquid state. जो हमारी liquid state होती है, we use the volume to measure it. So in measurement of capacity or measurement of volume, we have 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. This is the basic. For the next exercise 7C, we have to know the decimals in measurement. So in measurement we have measurement of length, measurement of mass, and measurement of volume. They all should be clear to you. This is liter and milliliter, kilogram and gram. Then 1 meter 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer 1000 meter. So we have first question from the exercise, express as decimal. So A part is 3 meter and 45 centimeter, and we know in 1 meter there is 100 centimeter, or we can say 1 meter is divided into 100 centimeters. So 3 meter, it is a complete whole. We will write same. Now 45 parts from the 100 centimeter are given. Means 45 out of 100. So now this complete term is in meter, but we have to express in decimal. So we will convert into decimal. This is decimal fraction. We already did 3.45. Now this is मीटर, बिकॉज हमने जो सेंटीमीटर का पार्ट था उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया मीटर में. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो काउंट 1 2 2 zeros, 1 2, then decimal point. One more, that is D. We have 2 kilometer and 340 meter. Now for this we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 मीटर मीन्स 1 किलोमीटर कितने में डिवाइड है 1000 मीटर्स में. सो किलोमीटर, this is complete part, we will write same. Then 340 part out of 1000 parts. Now this is kilometer, or we can write in decimal as 2 3 4 0, then denominator 1 2 3 1 2 3, 2.340 किलोमीटर. बट मेक श्योर यहाँ पे आपका कौन सा फ्रैक्शन होना चाहिए, डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन, जहाँ पे 10, 100 एंड 1000 10,000 होगा डिनोमिनेटर में. द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज इज ऑल्सो सेम. एक्सप्रेस दीज मेजरमेंट एज डेसिमल. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव वेट 6 kg, 300 gram. 6 kg and 300 gram. Kg is the bigger unit and gram is the small unit. Means 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg कितने में डिवाइड है 1000 grams में. एंड दिस इज कांस्टेंट. हर एक कंट्री यही फॉलो करती है. 1 kg में कितने ग्राम्स होंगे 1000 grams. So now 6 kg is given whole, complete. Now another kg which is more, divide into 300 part of grams. We have 300 parts from the 1000 grams. So to convert into bigger unit, we divide. In decimal we have 6.300 kg. After decimal 3 digits because denominator में thousands place. Tenths, hundreds, thousands. Now one more question that is based on your volume or capacity. 3 liter and 250 ml milliliter. So 1 liter is bigger unit. So 1 liter कितने में डिवाइड होती है 1000 milliliters. These you have to learn or remember them. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter means thousands place. So 250 को लीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, we write 3 same, then 250 divide by thousands because 1 liter में 1000 ml है. To make it into liter, ml को लीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे 1000 से डिवाइड. Now 3.250 liter. Now the complete question is in, or complete answer is in liter. हमने क्या किया, मिलीलीटर्स को कन्वर्ट कर दिया लीटर्स में. So 3.250 liter. This is whole part number 3 liters and this is decimal part. We can also say 0.250 liter if only decimals are given. And this is equal to 250 ml. So decimal का हमने यूज़ कैसे किया, टू रिप्रेजेंट स्मॉल क्वांटिटी हमने क्या यूज़ कर लिया डेसिमल एंड उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया बिगर क्वांटिटी में. लीटर इज बिगर, मिलीलीटर इज स्मॉल, दे बोथ आर इक्वल. इन दिस नो डेसिमल पॉइंट एंड देयर वी यूज डेसिमल पॉइंट बिकॉज ml इज द थाउजेंड्स पार्ट ऑफ द लीटर.